Alright, so I'm using this Pygro custom gamepad to create this screen right here. Alright, so I created this 3D printed case for this $20 screen that I bought on eBay. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty much what I did is I created a case that holds a Raspberry Pi Zero, the gamepad, PCB, a really short HDMI cable, an adapter. This is for my keyboard, this is for the power. The Raspberry Pi Zero is wired to the screen using these cables right here. So whenever you power the Raspberry Pi Zero, it powers the screen. So the problem I'm getting is that I guess this is a little bit off, so it keeps getting pressed. But the main issue that I have is that whenever I try to map the buttons using the GPIO, the whole thing just shuts down, especially when I press up or that button right here. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit, but everything works as I want it to work except for that whole part. I couldn't find any documentation on how to install the GPIO into the, you know, like I mean the custom gamepad PCB. I couldn't figure out a way to how to do it online. I'm still looking it up. I'm gonna ask in the forums, but this is just an upgrade. Oh, update. Oh, and the other thing I found out, the screen is not perfectly centered. This is perfectly centered, but the screen is not, so that's why you get that silver part of it. I'm gonna have to make the file a little bit off so it covers the whole thing, and I'm gonna show you guys how it just shuts off when I press a button. You see that? It just shut off when I press a button, like it restarts it or something.